Welcome to JT Ellis, where we've been manufacturing beautifully designed and long-lasting kitchen, bedroom and bathroom furniture for over 130 years from our factory here in Yorkshire. Morning, Tom.
Morning. We believe that we combine the best in modern automation and traditional cabinet making skills with a whole team motivated to give you the best levels of service and backup. Morning, Sarah. It all starts here with your inquiry, where our design and estimating team will provide you with a fully itemised quote and design renders for you to approve.
Our knowledgeable customer services team are on hand to assist you during installation and into aftercare.
Once you've accepted your quote, your order moves into our highly automated production.
Following our investment in our new line, we can now produce 100 bedrooms and kitchens in 10 different designs as quickly as we could previously produce 100 bedrooms and kitchens in the same design. For developers and universities who want multiple colour schemes, we feel that we've got a great solution. Production starts here in our board storage area. We've eliminated all forms of manual handling, which is our single biggest cause of panel damage, and we reduced our waste by nearly 50%.
There's space for 78 stacks of our carbon negative MFC boards. Automatic restacking and plenty of board stock gives you short lead times.
The boards are fed to 4 cutting machines while new board arrives in the system. It's fast and precise with off-cuts being stored and reused, which significantly reduces waste.
When the board has been cut, it is transferred to a conveyor with a barcode label being automatically applied. These can be a bit tricky to get off, but the benefit is that they speed up remedials if required and gives us the full details of the panel to be remade.
The decoupling buffer stores components off the saws, allowing the saws to keep cutting and to maximise output from the line. The panel then reaches the 2 edge banders holding up to 48 different coloured edge tapes and glues. We know how important the edge quality is to the appearance of the final kitchen, bedroom or bathroom.
As you can see here, there are no visible joints in our edging, so we're confident that we're delivering best-in-class edge finishes on a wide variety of materials. The panels are sorted into the correct sequence and placed into trolleys before moving on to assembly. Our units assemble for strength using our double dowel and glued technology system.
This assembly technique is integral to the strength and long life of our cabinets, which provide long-term sustainable solutions, which are then pressed into the unit, ensuring everything is perfectly square.
We set our cabinets as strong.
Our units are then packed carefully using recyclable cardboard packaging where necessary.
Our delivery tracking system gives customers clear visibility on what items are being delivered and when, saving you time on chasing delivery information. You can now see what we can see, and if you want proof of deliveries, they're just a click away. Proactive update notifications can be sent by text or email, whichever you prefer. Finally, our units arrive on site complete and ready for installation, if needed, by our own skilled fitting teams.
We'll leave the installation to your protection requirements to allow your other trades to follow behind, and we'll provide a full report of the finished kitchen or bedroom for you to sign off, which you can do so electronically.
We hope this film has given you an insight into the people, manufacturing processes and services behind delivering your products when you want them and to the highest specification. But we do beat that you can't be seeing all this for yourselves. So why not get in touch and come and see us whilst enjoying a little bit of Yorkshire hospitality.